Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put on bowed item on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. To put on the bowed item, you need to go to this room. You need to enter one of the room and you can put on the bowed item on your body. So this is the bowed item on my Dress to Impress. I have bowed this item and I'm going to put it on my body. Okay, and this one as well. Alright, and that size right. You just need to go to that room and then you can put on the item you have bowed on Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put on bowed items on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.